think you've had enough. Susie, you want to treat? Ladies, take your turns. Take your turns. Here, Susie, you want to treat? You want to treat Karen? Oh, Karen, my bestie. Come here, here go. You guys, let's share. Do you want to share? I think you've had enough. Apple, push him. Push him, Apple. Come on. Push through, Apple. Come here. No. Rosalind, you've had enough. Here, Karen. There you go. Oh, look at the babies. Come here, Apple. Dude, I think you've had enough treats. Are we all going to be friends? Okay. Have some treats. Have some treats. Have some treats. Oh, yes. Here, Karen. You can have a treat. Good girl. You going to eat my hand? You going to eat my hand? Oh, I'm going to poke you in the eyeball if you're not careful. Here, Belle. Come here. Come here. You are such a pig. Here, baby. You want a treat? Yeah. Don't worry, I didn't forget about you, Mama. I didn't forget about you. Come here. Yes, Karen. Are you waiting patiently? Here you go. Ma'am, you are a pig. You don't need a ton. You gonna eat me? You can't eat my hand. There's nothing good. Nothing good. Here, Karen. Here, Karen. Ma'am, I think you've had enough treats. You need to share with your friends. Yes, you need to share. You guys are spitting them out. Get it, Come here.
Because they're eating them so that others don't get them, not because they want one.
I know. They're like, we're not sharing. It's not nice to share. Here, Karen. Dude! Stop!
It's amazing. She's always at the front of the line.
I know. Her and Brienne and Mira, Rosalind. Dude, can we share with our other friends? Eden. Come here. Come here. Oh, ma'am, you can't eat my hand. Hi, Maya. Do you want the treats, Maya? Here, Karen. Come here, Dora. Dora. Oh, my. Oh, Karen, be nice. There's a baby. Be careful. There's a baby. Oh, Susie. Tell me how you really. Would you quit it? Would you quit it? We're going to share with our other friends. Here, Dorothy. You want a treat? That's you didn't take one. Here. Good girl. Hey, now, don't be fighting, ladies. Brian, you were just over here. What are you doing? What the fuck?
I got in line again.
Hey. Dorothy. That's my fingers you're trying to eat. Those are not treats. Oh, what? Do you need a treat? Come and get one. Are you going to eat my hand? Okay.
Hi.
Here, Karen. Oh,
We're starting you young, aren't we?
just go this way. Come on, ladies. Not over. No, you stay over there. I want these ladies. Stay. No, stay over there. Come on. You guys, I want these ladies. Here, Belle. I think you've had enough. Yes, you have had enough. You have had enough. You have had enough. Yes, you guys have all had enough. I'm not done yet. I'm not done yet. Here. You want more? Ah, nice, lady. Hi, Karen. You and Maya are friends. Come here, Mira. Yes. You can wait your turn. You can wait your turn.
Hi, Karen.
He's such a pretty baby.
All right. Come here.
He's just a pretty baby.
Better go get your treats. You haven't been in line for the 900th time.
For real. He's just a sweet baby. Here. Look at the baby. Karen, tell your baby we want to be friends. Yeah, tell your baby we can be friends. Here, Belle. Here. No, come here. Hey. Ladies. Ladies. I was hoping the vulture one would come over. Oh, there she is.
Hi, Goofy.
Come here, Apple. Oh, you dropped it right in the pea pile. Karen, why you guys gotta be bullied? I think you had enough. Oh, you haven't had enough? That's my hand. There's no treats in my hand. What? Do you want a treat? You guys are drooling all over. Hi. We could be friends, Karen. We could be friends. Yeah, we could be friends. Hi, Big Mama. You're just the cutest. Don't tell anybody you're my favorite man. There. Oh, you dropped it. Rosalind, you're getting in the way. You're blocking all the trees. Oh, Karen. Karen, don't be a Karen. Come here. Put it. Here. Karen, you're such a bully. Is that why we're friends? You're such a bully? Oh, you're going to eat my arm? Hi, baby. Here. Eat clips. You want a treat? Yeah. Free. Oh, Karen. What a dick. Karen, I'm not going to give you treats. You're not being nice. Ow, what's my hand? You're not going to get any more if you're going to be mean. We need to share. Sharing with our friends is good. Here you go, Brian. Here, Mira.
Karen, why are you always getting in trouble?
Karen, we can be friends, okay? We can be nice. We can be nice. Be nice. Get her. You tell her. Put her in her place, please. Yes, put her in her place. You put her in her place. Yes. Dora. Come here, Dora. Hi. You never get close to me. We can be friends. Karen. Don't teach your baby. You see it? Look. You're scaring all the babies. Or you're scaring all the ladies. Why you gotta be mean?
Did Marcella take some from you?
Karen. Come here, Dora. Here, Dora. Quit it. You gotta share too. Yeah, you gotta share too. Mira, you guys are the large ladies. Get it.
Get it, Marcella.
Get it. I'm trying to give you some treats. Karen, you do it. Hi, Karen's baby. You want a treat? Come here. Your mommy likes them. Rosalind, nice. Karen, tell your baby these are good. You want your baby to come over here.